Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of car safety and security as we explore the best dash cams on the market. Whether you're looking to record your daily commutes, capture road trips, or have extra protection in case of accidents, these top-rated dash cams have you covered. We'll break down the features, video quality, and what makes each model a standout. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your car with a reliable dash cam, let's get started. Number 5. Vantrue N5 4-Channel Dash Cam. The Vantrue N5 4-Channel Wi-Fi dash cam brings innovation to vehicle safety, offering 360 degrees recording, crystal clear video quality, and smart features that make it an excellent choice for any driver. Designed for a wide range of vehicles from sedans to SUVs, this dash cam ensures no blind spots with its advanced 4-camera setup, built-in Wi-Fi, Sony StarVist 2 night vision, and 24-hour parking mode. Here's a detailed review of what the Vantrue N5 offers. The Vantrue N5 is equipped with a unique 4-channel recording system, featuring 4 wide-angle lenses, a 158-degree front camera, 160 degrees front cabin camera, 160 degrees rear cabin camera, 165 degrees rear camera. This setup allows the dash cam to cover all angles of your car without blind spots, providing 360 degrees protection. With recording resolutions of 2.7K, 1944p for the front, and 1080p for each of the rear and inside cameras, the footage is sharp and detailed. You can switch between various modes, 1CH, 2CH, 3CH, 4CH, depending on your specific needs, offering versatile recording options. One of the standout features is the rear cabin camera, which monitors the entire back seat and trunk area. Whether you're a rideshare driver or a family with kids or pets in the back, this camera captures everything inside the cabin. It offers a security solution against potential theft or hit and runs, giving you complete coverage even when you're parked. Number 4. Viofo 139 Pro 2CH Dash Cam. The Viofo A139 Pro 2CH dash cam is a game-changer in the world of dual-channel dash cameras, offering cutting-edge features like 4K HDR video recording, superb night vision, and a 24-hour parking mode. This camera combines Sony's StarVist 2 IMX678 sensor and advanced technology to deliver crystal-clear footage, both during the day and at night. With enhanced Wi-Fi capabilities, GPS, and a sleek design, the A139 Pro is a strong contender for drivers looking for premium protection. The Viofo A139 Pro 2CH dash cam boasts true 4K ultra-high-definition video on the front camera, using the 2023 StarVist 2 IMX678 sensor from Sony. With a larger 1.1-inch image pixel sensor, it provides superior clarity and detail, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The front camera records in 4K, 2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures in 1080p resolution. Number 3. Jimi JC400p 4G and Wi-Fi Dual Dash Cam. The Jimi JC400p Dual Dash Cam by PJ is a versatile and feature-rich dash camera, designed for both personal and commercial use. It offers real-time GPS tracking, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, live video streaming, and driver behavior analysis, making it a perfect solution for rideshare drivers, fleet management, or any driver concerned with both road safety and vehicle monitoring. The camera provides high-quality video for both the front road view and the interior cabin, giving full coverage for evidence collection or monitoring purposes. The JC400p is equipped with dual cameras, one front-facing camera and an interior-facing cabin camera. Front camera, 1080p resolution with a 145 degrees wide-angle lens, which captures sharp, high-quality footage of the road ahead, providing clear details in case of an accident. Interior cabin camera, 720p resolution with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, ideal for rideshare drivers like Uber, Lyft, and taxi operators, or for those who want to monitor the inside of their vehicle, including passengers and interior activities. Number 2. Tiesfong 360-degree all-4-sides dash cam. The Tiesfong M10 Max 4-channel dash cam is an advanced and feature-packed dash camera system designed to provide full 360 degrees coverage of your vehicle. With front, rear, and inside cameras, along with left and right side lenses, this dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who need all-around protection, whether for daily driving, rideshare services, or fleet management. It also includes important features such as IR night vision, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 1. DDPai Z50 Dashcam Front and Rear Review. High definition, reliable witness for every drive. The DDPai Z50 Dashcam is a premium dash camera system designed to provide crystal-clear footage in both front and rear views, making it an excellent choice for safety-conscious drivers. With a 4K resolution, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and advanced night vision, this dual dashcam offers all the necessary features for enhanced vehicle surveillance and recording. Whether you're documenting your driving or looking for reliable evidence in case of an accident, the Z50 is built to deliver high-quality performance in various conditions. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.